This is probably the best budget phone you can buy right now, the Blackview A200 Pro. Let's take a look at some of the phone's specs. First up, the display of this phone is just amazing. It comes with a 120Hz AMOLED display, which is perfect and super smooth for gaming and watching videos. It also comes with 12 gigs of RAM and a MediaTek processor. So I've been multitasking and opening up multiple apps at once, and I've experienced no lag so far. The main camera sensor of this phone is a 108 megapixel lens, which is pretty impressive, and it takes good pictures even in low light, so thumbs up for that. The battery life on this phone is also solid with a 5050 milliamp hour battery, which is impressive, and it lasts for around 9 through 13 hours. Should you get this phone? If you're looking for a powerful phone that is affordable, the A200 Pro is definitely a phone worth considering, no doubt.